Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, and overall, the chart is perfectly fine. Today, in and of itself, a rough day, a little kind of miniature gap and trap here. I mean, the price closed there on Thursday, opened up right there, made a little bit move to the upside, and then just kind of pulled back. But again, that's just looking at today in a very, very small fashion. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, everything is still perfectly fine. The trend remains plenty bullish. And as I've talked about in past videos, and really just want to reiterate now as we head into the weekend, from the grand scope of things, assuming you care about, just the big picture, it still remains all about that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous and well-known 50-period moving average. And as the name implies, as next week plays out, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. And as I said in past videos, from the broad scope of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. And I do say the broad scope of things and really emphasize that because I do get it. If you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there this morning and your plan was to buy and sell within 8 minutes, well, from that point of view, from the day trading viewpoint, yeah, the chart's looking pretty rough with that pullback. But outside of that, if you just care about the general trend and the general chart, then yeah, the price pulled back from the gap up this morning, but overall, still plenty of opportunities to continue to chip away and build those higher bases. But like I said, instead of chipping away and focusing on, well, is that a good chip away base, or what about that base? Is that where it should chip away? I mean, you don't want to get overwhelmed and confused. Just use that purple line, and as long as the price is above there, then like I said, the bulls are in full control. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here, just a question of where did the party stop today, and that momentum ran out right up around 1575. So keep an eye on that going into next week, but all in all, the chart remains perfectly fine. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.